So today we are going to know how to install the artcam 2008 software for CNC router machine. I click on my USB and I open this setup, double click, I click yes, I select the language English and then click next, again agree, next, and this step must be we know this one we select millimeter, then we remember this folder name program file x86 and we start click install. After this notification will be showing on your PC or laptop, you will need to install the center dongle. So we will click no, then we click finish. Then we come to this drive dog folder and we control A, we copy this all and then we go to local disk. This folder program file x86, then we go to the artcam 2008 folder and then we go xec folder and we will paste here, control V. Now our artcam software is ready to use.